Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel UK Desi Vlogger. In today's video, we are diving into something super useful for anyone doing email marketing, that is Klaviyo for beginners. Whether you are just starting out or looking to improve your email marketing game, this tutorial will walk you through everything you must need to know, from setting up your account to creating your first campaign. So make sure to watch till the end, hit the like button and also subscribe if you have not already, and let's get started with the Klaviyo beginners tutorial. I will guide you step by step, but let's start from the introduction to the topic, that is, what is Klaviyo? Basically, Klaviyo is a powerful email marketing and automation platform designed manually for e-commerce businesses. It helps brands build a strong relationship with their customers by sending personalized email, SMS messages, and push notifications. With Klaviyo, you can segment your audience based on their behavior, purchase history, and preferences, allowing you to send the right message to the right person at the right time. Whether you run a Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento store, Klaviyo make it easy to automate marketing and increase sales through targeted communication. Now we will talk about setting up your Klaviyo account. Getting started with Klaviyo is simple. First, you need to sign up on the Klaviyo website and create your account. Once you are in, you can connect your e-commerce platforms such as Shopify or WooCommerce. This connection allows Klaviyo to automatically signs your customer data, order history, and website activity. After linking your store, take a moment to explore your account settings. Set your sender email address, company detail, and time zone. This ensures that your campaign and automations are set up correctly from the start. Now we will understanding Klaviyo dashboard and features. The Klaviyo dashboard is your control center for all marketing activities. It provides an overview of your performance, that including revenue, recent campaigns, and subscriber growth. The main section include list and segment, campaign flows, and reports. List and segment help you organize your audience. Campaigns are for sending one-time emails or SMS blast. Flows allow you to automate messages like welcome emails or abandoned card reminders. Reports give you insight into how your marketing efforts are performing. Once you understand these sections, navigating Klaviyo become very straightforward. Now we will discuss creating your first email list. An email list is the foundation of your email marketing strategy. So in Klaviyo, you can create a list to collect subscribers or import existing contact from your online store or CSV file. Each list should have a clear purpose. For example, one for newsletter subscribers and another for customers who made a purchase. You can also create sign up forms and pop ups to grow your list organically. Always ensure that your subscribers have given permission to receive emails, as this helps maintain good deliverability and compliance with email marketing laws. Designing your first email campaign. Designing an email campaign in Klaviyo is easy thanks to its drag and drop email builder. You can choose from a variety of pre-made templates or create one from scratch. Start by adding your logo, images, text, and buttons that guide users to your website. Personalization is a key. Use customer names or recommend product based on their interest to increase engagement. Before sending, always preview your email on desktop and mobile to ensure it looks great everywhere. Once you are satisfied, schedule or send your campaigns and monitor the result in real time. Introduction to flows, that is automation. Flows in Klaviyo are automated sequences of email or SMS messages that are triggered by specific customer actions or events. Think of flows as your set it and forget it marketing tool. Once you set up a flow, Klaviyo automatically send messages to the right people at the right time without any manual work. For example, you can create a welcome flow that greets new subscribers, an abundant cart flow that reminds shoppers about product left in their cart, or a post purchase flow that thanks customer and suggests related items. Flows save you time and help you build a stronger relationship. By keeping your brand connected to your audience 24 by 7, each flow can be customized with delays, conditions, and personalized content, making your automation feel human and relevant. Analyzing your campaign performance is one of the most important part of email marketing. And Klaviyo make this process easy with its built-in analytics. After sending a campaign or running a flow, you can view detailed metrics such as open rate, click rate, conversion rate, and revenue generated. These insights help you understand what is working and what need improvement. For instance, if your open rate is low, you might test different subject lines. If your click rate is weak, you could improve your email design or call to action button. Klaviyo also offers detailed segmentation reports and A/B testing tools to help you experiment and optimize your result over time. Regularly checking your analytics ensures that every campaign performs better than the last. Now it's a time of talk about tips and best practices for beginners. If you are just starting out with Klaviyo, a few key practices can help you succeed faster. First is that focus on quality over quantity. Always send emails to engage subscribers who want to hear from you. Second, keep your design clean and mobile friendly since most people read emails on their phones. Third is that personalize your content using customer data, that is addressing users by name or recommending product they have browsed can dramatically increase engagement. The fourth one is that don't spam. Sending too many emails can annoy your audience and increase unsubscribe rates. Lastly, test everything subject lines, send times, layouts to learn what resonates best with your subscribers. Following these practices will help you build trust and drive consistent results from your campaigns. Now we will discuss few benefits of Klaviyo. Klaviyo helps you grow your business through smart, automated and personalized email marketing. It connects easily with your online stores, save time with automation and more, gives you clear data to understand your customer better. With Klaviyo, you can send the right message to the right audience. Now it's a time of conclude the topic. Klaviyo is one of the best tools for beginners to start email marketing with confidence. Once you learn the basics, Like creating lists, campaigns, and flows, it becomes a powerful system that runs your marketing almost an autopilot. Stay consistent, keep testing, and you will see great result over time. Guys, this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, UK Desi Vlogger. I will be back soon with more helpful tutorials and tips. See you in the next video. Take care and stay connected. Goodbye.